Just say you're mine. You get me every time.
Still early in the morning, feeling kinda lonely. She's taken off already, didn't really got to know me. I bet but now it really doesn't matter. Remember last night when we had some fun together? Yeah, I'm a hunter, and I told my friends I want her. I posted up and started off our first encounter. That girl is a stunner, and every other dude was trying to get a number. I said, hey, 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 yeah. And you've been waiting for me all night. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Now I don't wanna waste more time. I said, let's hit the bar, I'm pouring up a shot. And then I wanna know if you're ready or not. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Come on, show me what you got. Went out to grab a taxi, sitting back relaxing. I pulled the window closed, there was unstoppable attraction. Action, got ready for my satisfaction. It became a blur, now I'm recalling only fractions. Come on, got to business, and right there we started kissing. Even though we tried, we couldn't really keep the distance. That girl is a stunner, and every other dude was trying to get her number. I said, hey, 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 yeah. And you've been waiting for me all night. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Now I don't wanna waste more time. I said, let's hit the bar, I'm pouring up a shot. And then I wanna know if you're ready or not. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Come on, show me what you got. I said, hey, 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 yeah. And you've been waiting for me all night. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Come on, show me what you got. Still early in the morning, feeling kinda lonely. She's taking off already, didn't really get to know me better. But now it really doesn't matter. Remember last night, we had some fun together. Yeah, I'm a hunter, and I told my friends I want her. I posted up and started off our first encounter. And that girl is a stunner, and every other dude was trying to get her number. I said, hey, 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 yeah. And you've been waiting for me all night. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Now I don't wanna waste more time. I said, let's hit the bar, I'm pouring up a shot. And then I wanna know if you're ready or not. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Come on, show me what you got. Show me what you got. Hey, 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 yeah. And you've been waiting for me all night. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Now I don't wanna waste more time. I said, let's hit the bar, I'm pouring up a shot. And then I wanna know if you're ready or not. She said, hey, 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 yeah. Come on, show me what you got. Hey, hey. Show me what you got.